Hello guys, it's Grace here again, and today I'll be showing you how to use MetaTrader 4 in trading Forex. So this is the quote screen where you see all the currencies that you want to trade in, and when you're trading in Forex you can either buy or sell. So let's trade in Euro USD. You click on it and then click on new order. When you click on the new order, okay, let's sell. You sell. So I'm now going to show you how to set loss, set stop loss, and also take profit. Now, what is stop loss? Stop loss is the amount of money you're willing to lose in a trade, so that if you're not around and the market, you start losing money because you have set that stop loss. Once it reaches that stop loss, the market will automatically close. That is, your trade automatically close, so that you will not lose more money on the trade that you've done already. And take profits is also like setting the amount of profit you are willing to take, so that when the market is going up and you're gaining money, once it reaches that take profit, the trade will automatically close, and the profit will be your own. Because there are some instances when I opened a trade, I did not set the take profit. The trade went up and I made a lot of money, but because I did not set the take profit and I was not around to close the trade, the market started going down, and before I knew what was happening, I was now at a very great loss. I lost a lot of money in the trade, all because I did not set my take profits. So if you want to set the take profits and stop loss, you click on it and press modify order. This red box is the stop is the take this red box is the stop loss, and the green box is take profit. So because we are selling, your stop loss will be high and then your take profit will be low. So you now set your stop loss at 1 point. Set your stop loss at 1.18. Let's our stop loss be 20 pips higher, so that will be 64. Then, because we are selling, the take profit is supposed to be lower, so our take profit will be 20 pips lower, 1.1824. Then press modify. You have set your stop loss and take profits. So let's go to the quote section again and make a new order. Okay, let me use another currency. Okay, let us buy with buy. Like, let's open a second trade, and this second trade we are going to buy. So let's use this one, GBP USD, new order, buy. When you're opening the order, you can also set your profit, take profit and stop loss before buying it, but I'm just doing it like this to show you how to make it easier for you to understand. Modify, So because you are buying, your stop loss will be low, then your take profit will be high. Let's say, let me set my stop loss to be 20 pips, 1.23. Oh, and please, you should know that pips is not like a whole number. Pips is like cents. It's not a whole number. Then let me set the take profit. Take profit should be 20 pips high. You can set your pips higher than 20 pips. You can make it 30 pips, 40 pips, anyone. But I'm just using 20 pips as an example. 2, 8. And oh, one other thing, once you set pips that are incorrect or not compatible, that is, the pips you are setting is not correct, MetaTrader 4 won't allow you to modify or change it. See here, I can't change it because the pips which I put is not correct. Like the market just went down even lower. So let me clear it and set it to 1.28. Then you modify it. And the next thing I'm going to show you is how to, now as you have set the stop loss and take profits, if you want, you can stay online and monitor the markets. Let me go to the charts. Euro USD, then you open the charts. Oh, and please, before you make any trade, you need to go to the charts and watch the market and know whether the trend is going up or down. And this each chart has different time frame. The time frame of this chart I'm looking at now is 30 minutes. So M1 means 1 minute time frame. M5 is 5 minutes. M15 is 15 minutes time frame chart. M30 is 30 minutes time frame chart. H1 is 1 hour time frame chart. H4, it goes on like that. H4 4 hour. D1 is 1 day time frame chart. W1 is 1 week time frame chart, and MN is 1 month time frame chart. So you have to read your charts, like check your charts to know where the trend is going. If it's an uptrend, then you make your decision based on that. But because it's a demo account, I'm not trading with real money. That's why I'm just trading like this. Like, I just want to show you the basics of trading with MetaTrader 4 so that you know how to use it. So if you want to check the chart of whatever currency you want to trade in, you click on the currency, then open charts, then you choose the time frame you want to use and make your decision on which trade to enter, whether it's buy or sell. Okay, and now if you see you're losing much money or you have already gotten the gain that you want, or maybe for some reason you want to close the trade, just click on the trade you want to close and click on close order. They will show you, do you want to close with loss of such and such, then you close it. Then the second one, close order, close with $1.12. Order is closed. Then if you go to your accounts by clicking on this box here, you see how much money you've lost or gained. Yeah, and that's the basics of MetaTrader 4. Thanks for watching, and I hope you understand how to use MetaTrader. Thank you.